So recently in our group, we subdivided the work between everyone to find out exactly, how to maintain and make sure everyone's doing like an equatable amount of work. So one of the things I ended up having to do was I actually wrote one of the stories, which we themed on our cultural theme, which was the religion we set up, which follows the idea of there was, again, no centralized power, as early hunting-gathering societies didn't have that kind of specialization. Instead, it focused on a group joint effort in an effort to like pray to the sky, which I set it up to act as like some sort of deity. So they would pray to the sky because ours is set in a monsoon season, so there's tons of rain, in the hopes that the rain would lessen so that they could go along the river for better supplies and there would be more food there. So the story focuses along those lines, and with that I wrote about a 5 to 6 minute little thing that will help us explore that. It was also interesting to write because, again, you had to avoid the concepts like a structuralization. So I had to set it up in a way that was like a festival, like a farming festival, like what they would used to do, where they would just gather together and maybe have like a feast of some sort, but no one was really in charge. It was just something to pray for better crops. So I tried to set it up like that, while also bringing Paleolithic ideas that they wouldn't waste food. So instead what it was, or the energy, so they would just mostly just speak to the sky in an effort to not waste materials, but also set up this greater power for them to believe in. So that's what I'm currently doing in the group stuff.